Reggae Girls. This is Romain Virgo saying, go hard, just do your thing. We believe in you, and we know you're gonna bring that trophy home. Whole heap of love, push forward. You know what I mean? Even when it gets tough, just keep pushing on, all right? Whole heap of love, blessings.
This is my message to you ladies. We can do anything, and it's a big congratulations already. It's a big congratulations, it's a big win already. Just go out there and do your best because you have our support. And I have my jersey, you know. I have my jersey, it's a sugar in the back, and I will be wearing that, you know. So just go out there, we are already proud of it. We're proud from the last time. You understand? We've been proud. Keep going, ladies.
This is Morgan Heritage, and we want to say congratulations to the Reggae Girls for making it into the World Cup, representing Jamaica, the culture, football, the lifestyle of Jamaica. That's how we do it.
Big up the Reggae Girls. Yo, I'm proud of them. I'm not gonna lie, when I see Sidela Mali start bigging up, I never know what she do. I think she lick her chip like me. And then I see it, I'm gonna be like, yo, you have vision, and them girls have a lot of talent. Big up on yourself. I'm proud of you. I'm grateful to you for make Jamaica consistently stay upon the map where you put up on. Yeah, thanks.
You don't know, so this is the voice at the end present for the Reggae Girls. You don't know, so love from yours truly. Go out and do your best because only your best is good enough. And I don't know, so we are supporting from them time until now. Big up yourself outside, mad.
Reggae Girls, Reggae Girls, Reggae Girls, Reggae Girls. You know, I performed for them last year in Miami. Yes, my glad son reach. Tell them you are the BADDEST. No team can test, cause them LAME winnings we say. FIFA said that I'm not take, but not chat. Reggae Girls.
Big up to the Reggae Girls. We love you know, we support you know, we're proud of you know. Just go and make you proud and just take home the trophy you know. Yeah man, we believe in you know.
Reggae Girls, go out there and stamp your winnings on this world. We are here supporting you 100%. Big up Jamaica. Thanks for representing ladies. Do your thing. We're here supporting you all. One love.
You know, Yard Trends Media. From morning, we are hustle and put we all in. When we work, we not pre no stalling. From morning, Yard Trends Media, we never ever change. Yeah, Chino McGregor representing Yard Trends Media. We never change, never switch. Keep it locked. Chino.